Most homeowners don't call about their roof until water is already running down a wall. By then, they're not paying for a roof. They're paying for a roof plus drywall, plus insulation, plus maybe a ceiling. The whole job costs 40% more than it had to. I'm Jason Hammond. I've replaced roofs on 4 of my own houses, and I can tell you the failure isn't sudden. There are 5 visible signs your roof has about 5 years left. None of them is a leak, yet. Here's what to look for, while you still have time to plan. Sign 1. Moss or dark algae streaks. If you're seeing green or black creeping across the north slope of your roof, that's not cosmetic. Moss holds moisture against the shingles, and moisture is what breaks the asphalt down. Once moss gets into the gaps between shingles, the granule layer is already lifting. You have maybe 2 to 5 years before that section starts leaking. Sign 2. Curling or cupping shingles. Walk outside, look up. If the corners of the shingles are lifting like potato chips, the asphalt has dried out, and the mat underneath has shrunk. Curled shingles don't shed water. They channel it sideways and into the gaps. This is the most common sign I see on roofs that are between 15 and 20 years old. Sign 3. Granules in your gutters. Asphalt shingles shed a little grit every year, but if you're scooping handfuls of pebbles out of your downspouts every spring, that's the sand layer, the thing that protects the asphalt from UV, coming off in chunks. Once the granules are gone, the shingle is bare asphalt and it cooks in the sun, 2 to 4 years from there. Sign 4. Chimney flashing, pulling away. The flashing is the metal that wraps where your roof meets a chimney, a wall, or a skylight. Walk around your house and look up at every one of those joints. If you see a gap, a rust streak, or tar smeared over what used to be metal, you have an active or imminent leak. Flashing failures cause more interior damage than full roof failures because the water gets in before the shingle ever fails. Sign 5. Stains on the underside of your roof deck. Go up in the attic with a flashlight and look at the plywood between the rafters. Dark streaks, ring stains, or soft spots mean water has been getting in and drying out, and getting in again and drying out. By the time those stains show on the inside, the outside has been failing for a while. If you're seeing 2 or more of these, the question is no longer if, it's when and how cheap can you keep it. The cheapest version is a planned tear-off, 2 estimates, scheduled in dry weather. The expensive version is the same job plus interior repairs after the leak finds you. If you want me to look at your roof, send 3 photos, 1 of the worst slope, 1 close-up of the shingles, and 1 from the attic side. $9.99 on hammondreengineered.com/report. I'll tell you which path you're on.